Professor Gordon, thank you so much again for shedding so much light on this subject. It's I'm very excited because the more we talk here, the more information comes up, and I know my part is very happy to learn. Mm-hmm. So. Who can use resource therapy? Is resource therapy open for everyone, or do you have to have a certain training or a certain background, academic or otherwise, to learn and to use resource therapy?
Resource therapy is an entire theory of personality and therapy. Mm-hmm. There's lots of techniques. Resource therapy is like cognitive behavioral therapy or person-centered therapy or Gestalt therapy. Anybody can learn it. Okay. You don't have to have some kind of office to learn cognitive behavioral therapy. It's taught in a lot of different places, same with person-centered therapy. So anyone can learn resource therapy. Now obviously you want therapists learning it. You want therapists learning any therapy,
of course,
because they're the ones that are going to be able to use it. They're the ones that would want to use it. Mm-hmm. But we don't say that someone has to have a degree in hypnosis mm-hmm. or belong to a certain society mm-hmm. To learn resource therapy. And that's the same as it is to learn any other of the major therapies. I'm wanting resource therapy RT to become a major therapy, and I'm not wanting it to be limited to those who are wanting to learn it and use it to help clients.
Excellent. The reason I'm asking is because I know, I personally know many people, many of my friends and colleagues who, some of them are having a academic background, some of them don't, and besides that, I know of so many people, and I would even dare say more and more people nowadays, they start to become interested in self development, mm-hmm. In therapies, in working with themselves, working with others. Some people even consider changing a career and start on this path. Mm-hmm. And this question kind of is floating up in the air all the time, and there's this great technique, or there's this great therapy, there's this great class out there. Can I join? What are the requirements? So I'm very happy that we clear this up.
Yeah, I think anyone obviously could go to a group and learn techniques about learning about their parts and increase their level of self-awareness and become healthier. And that's not learning to be a therapist.
Yes.
And that would be absolutely open to anyone. What I would see people who are learning to use this as a tool, as a therapeutic tool, would be people who are therapists, people who are wanting to assist people in their...
Or wanting to become therapists.
Or wanting to become therapists.
On their path.
And a student of therapy.
Mm-hmm. A student of therapy, okay.
And so just like any student of therapy, whether it's person-centered, whether it's cognitive behavioral, you've got to start somewhere. Yeah. And so there's no restriction on this information. Okay. Anyone can take on this information. Excellent. And begin learning. Now, whether you qualify in your locality to be a counselor or a therapist or a psychologist, that's not resource therapy that gives you that qualification.
Of course.
Resource therapy is a tool that you can use within that qualification.
Thank you so much.